Earn free rides, earn free food, make money. Tired of being exploited by Uber, Lyft, Doordash, and Instacart? The wait is over. Welcome to Fare Co-op. We are a driver-owned cooperative that's building something big, where our drivers earn 90% on every ride or delivery today. Our drivers will own the driverless vehicles that will replace them. Restaurants benefit with service fees as low as 5%, compared to the outrageous 20 to 35% charged by the competition. Consumers can save an average of 20% on every ride and food delivery today. Fare Co-op has allocated 25% of its net revenue to create 5 ways for you to earn revenue and save your community through our 2-tier 2-way referral program, where your direct referral will make you 10% and the second tier will earn you 2.5%, whether you're on the side of customers, passengers, or drivers' businesses. 1. Earn on every ride or delivery through the drivers that you refer, where they make double the money on a platform that they own. 2. Earn on every food delivery from your favorite restaurants that you refer, while the restaurants save 4 to 5 times the cost of the competition. 3. Earn on every membership fee that every driver pays to join the co-op, where they own their future. 4. Make thousands of dollars a month that you can use for free rides, free food, or simply cash out by referring 40 to 50 restaurants, drivers, and customers. Have a stake in the future of work by supporting drivers creating value to own the driverless cars that will replace them. Don't just see the future, be the future that you deserve. Are you with us or not? Let's make history together. Don't miss out on thousands you can make while saving your community. Sign up with the code in order to be able to refer others today.